We would be talking about why TikTok will quickly reject your advert as if you borrowed their ring light and you did not return it. And your question is always,
TikTok, can I know my offense?
Hi my people, it's your girl Deborah, the Chief Ad Inspector General, helping you look into your advert to make sure you are not fumbling and giving you the right counsel. Let's jump right in. In this video, I'll be sharing common mistakes you make with your TikTok adverts, why TikTok might have been rejecting your advert and you're like, why me? The first point is, use $1 to make $1 million while you sleep doing nothing. Oshe, aspire to perspire. Anything that has to do with money. TikTok is not even TikTok alone. On most social media platforms, if you are saying, oh, just bring $10, I'll turn you to a multi-million dollar, while you do nothing, anything promising people financial prosperity, doing nothing, they would reject. That's the first ticket for them to reject your advert. And this covers for affiliate marketing, network marketing, loan apps, if you borrow people money or you help them make money. Even if you are doing your own business, you are not even providing a service, right? You are doing your own business and you are advertising dropshipping and you are emphasizing on money, come and make money, they reject your advert. Forex trading, you're a trader, or you are selling a particular vote, you are selling something that can help people turn their life around, they reject it. Why? Is because there has been a lot of scams in time past. What happened recently in the country where I live, that was last month. They called it CBEX, and it went with the money of a lot of people. When I was still in the university, what happened, they call it MMM. So a lot of platforms have been here claiming that they would turn people's life around, just bring money, do nothing, and at the end they would usually run away with people's money. So the regulating body of the country has given all this platform specific instruction that they think can help people secure their money, right? So not like you cannot post it, you can post it, but the problem is when you want to run advert with it. You can post it as a regular thing. They might necessarily not take the post down or flag your says against the guideline. But when you say you want to run advert and reach a wider audience, that, my friend, is where you are going to have troubles, issues, wahala. Wahala go dey too much. Does it mean that you cannot necessarily promote these things? Just keep watching. Somewhere in this video I will share what you can do that I think can help. Next point is weight loss gang. I would help you lose 50 kg in 1 week. Aspire to perspire. Now 50 kg is a whole human being. For the longest part of my adult life, before I got married, I was very tiny, like very tiny. I was weighing 50, 51, 55, tiny. My legs like this were like toothpick. Now if you are promising that you want to help someone lose 50 kg in a week, that is a whole human being. Like that was what I was weighing. So how can you help someone shed off like a whole human being in a week, 2 weeks, or even a month? It's not realistic. You can say, okay, we can help you lose 1 kg in a week, 2 kg in a week. It makes sense. It's possible to lose 1 kg every week, right? And by the time you do that for 3 months or 4 months, you would have lost a good number of kg, maybe 20 kg, right? But how do you want to help someone lose 50 kg in a month? That falls under the exaggerated claim. You are claiming something that does not make sense. You too, my people will say that in your hand, put it in your ears. You will not be say to kombo. Is it sweet? Does it make sense when you say it? I know you're trying to get attention. I get that you're trying to do marketing, but once something is so exaggerated, once it is too good to be true, what would the platform do? The platform would prevent more people from seeing it because they are not sure, even if your claim is right. Even if that $1 million you want to help them make with that $1 is possible. Not like it's not possible, but it's not sustainable. So let's say it's even possible, they will still not allow that advert. Okay. Next point is blurry, shaky videos, low quality videos with too much text. If your camera is bad and you want to run advert, go and borrow a camera, use it to record your content, and you return the phone. God will provide for you to buy good phone. But if you want to sell on social media, a good phone is one of the non-negotiable requirements. I invest heavily on phones. Why? Because it's a requirement. You can't tell me your product is good and your video is shaky. Okay, so please invest in phone. Spending that time, borrow people's phone. They can reject your advert because your camera quality is bad, is shaky, and it is not good. Next point is too much text. Is you that you put phone number, Is it that you put website? Is it that you put your Twitter handle, your Instagram handle, your Facebook handle, your Snapchat handle? There, can we know our offense? There's too much text that we can hardly understand the other things you are even explaining in the video. Text everywhere. We cannot even see the video of the products you are trying to sell. It is not clear. You dey shake. Remove too much text. Only put text when necessary. Don't kill us. Don't choke us. If you have been getting value, please like this video, as it goes a long way in telling the algorithm this is a good content, and then push it out to more people like you that need to see this video. I really do appreciate your help. Thank you so much. Next point is prohibited words. There are some words that are prohibited. You should not say them in your videos, regardless of what you sell or the service you provide, right? These words are also prohibited on YouTube, so I cannot also say them in this video, unfortunately. If you want to run good ads that will give you results like this, and payment will be flying in left, right, and center, I have a course, TikTok ad course. In that course, I broke down all these guidelines, what you can do to solve the problem, even if you fall into any of this category: prohibited words, adverts that would give you results, best content for your advert, how to prepare your page, how to stop your advert, how to see the best advert to continue using, how to stop not converting adverts, a lot of things. The class is loaded. It costs 35,000 naira, but presently there is a discount and you'll be paying 25,000 naira. If you like to sell daily on TikTok, you should be in this class. Please note that it is a pre-recorded class and you get access immediately you pay. Send me a DM on my personal Instagram account, Deborah Oluwaseun Roslyn, and let me hook you up, okay? If your niche falls under the one that goes against the guideline, there are a lot of things you can do that I shared more in my class, but I'm just going to share one of them with you. Just follow people in your niche. You start seeing their adverts on other platforms, on Facebook, on Instagram, on TikTok. Follow them, like them, engage on their content. Search, go to the search bar and search for what they say, which is the same thing you sell. They will start showing you more content of what they put out. Then you can now look it side by side. What are these people doing differently that I'm not doing? Okay. Next point is health products, sexual products, body and intimate products. TikTok is against it, and even other social media platforms, because how will you come and sell this water to me and you say it's a miracle water? This water, it works for typhoid, works for malaria, it works for infertility, it works for yada 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 yada. Clean your mouth. Lie lover. Lie lover. Right? Platforms like TikTok, because of health reasons and because once something is kind of damaged, to repair it, especially when it comes to the body system and health, it takes a lot of anything that people have to put in. To run adverts with it can be a challenge, except the way that I found around it as a solution that I shared in my class. But naturally, if you go through the natural way and the natural route, they would reject that ad, because you're not a doctor and normally you should not be recommending health products to people. Next point is selling fake or replica items. We all know all these big brands, they are very expensive. You want to buy a Zara bag, $10,000, but there's one brother in Abad that will do the same bag for $20. Copyrighted products, low, fake, replica products are not acceptable. You should not sell them on this platform. We have more other guidelines and reasons why they can reject your adverts that I shared in my TikTok course. If you're interested, send a DM on Instagram to get it. I also shared how you can bypass it and they will accept your adverts if you use this solution that I shared. If you are lucky, if your village people are after you, there's nothing I can do. But it has worked for a couple of people and it may also work for you. So I'm not advertising this class based off once you come, they will accept all your rejected adverts. The main goal of the class is how to sell on TikTok. And I also spoke about this as a part of the course. So it's not the thing you are coming to look for in the class. I don't want anyone to drag me, I beg. This video I compared my experience running Instagram adverts and TikTok adverts and the result I got with both, and why you should consider TikTok adverts right now. Click here, watch and enjoy. Thank you for watching. I'll definitely see you in my next one. Bye.